The role of vitamin B3 is with DNA repair and cell signaling. Cells need to replicate their DNA before dividing. This ensures that each new cell gets a full set of chromosomes. But sometimes during DNA replication, mistakes occur. Fortunately, the body has ways to fix many of these errors, and this process requires NAD, and NAD also, cells need to be able to communicate with each other. Otherwise, the body wouldn't be able to coordinate its activities. Cells send messages to each other using molecules called signal transduction molecules. Guess what? These molecules often use NAD and NADP to carry out their work.